Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share with you how you can download images and videos from any major social media, and this site has zero ads, no watermarks and no need to sign up. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So to download images or videos, open your browser and head over to this website called Publer. Simply paste the link of the image or video in the field and hit download. Now click on download to your device and that's it. Also, you can install their browser extension to download content more easily. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.